Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a very simple, not really recipe, yeah, it's not really a recipe type video. But basically I'm just gonna be showing you what I eat in a day today. This is actually one of my favorite types of videos are actually one of my favorite types of videos because they're so simple and I show you what I eat realistically without trying to be too fancy about making it look nice or whatever. And I'm doing this in collaboration with my sister Nolia. She also has a YouTube channel where she gives advice on marriage, the legal field, because she's a lawyer, and she also shows us a few recipes as well, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to be collaborating with her, and I would really appreciate it if you could also check out her channel. I will put her name on the channel here, so you can check out her channel as well to see what she's eating. I think the idea is that we're going to eat similar things, except she's not vegan, so I guess it won't be a vegan type of meal for her. But anyway, the point of this video is just to show you what I'm eating generally. And I hope that you enjoy watching what I eat and you can get inspired by the meals that I eat as well. And if you're interested, even if you're not interested, please keep watching. Now it's breakfast time. I like to have oats before I have anything else. Usually if I'm gonna have something savory, I like to have a smaller bowl of oats. So I'm just gonna be actually making some oats here, and the oats that I'm using today are rolled oats. I don't really usually have rolled oats, so I decided, you know, yeah, classic rolled and flaked oats. I'm just gonna have about half a cup of that. I think I'm going to make 2 portions and I'm going to keep some. Yeah. Some salt. And here, as you can see, we have a very ripe banana. So I'm just going to use that up just to sweeten the oats too. Which is nice, really. So I don't really have to rely on using that much sugar. And a trick that I like to do to really help bring out the nutty flavor of the oats is to cook them without water for a while. So it's kind of like you're roasting, or like like you're toasting. Yeah, toasting, that's what I'm looking for. You're toasting the oats. So really, I'm showing you how to make the perfect oats for any occasion. And then to make them really creamy, instead of just using water, I like to do a combination of water and milk as well. Some cinnamon, about 1 teaspoon. Honestly, I never like cinnamon. I can keep going with cinnamon. I can really keep going. Anyway, once it becomes this little sticky bottom, I'm just gonna reduce the fire because I don't want it to be too high. Then I'm gonna add in some water. And I'm also gonna add in some milk. I don't know, almond milk or soy milk. I think I'm gonna do almond milk. Yeah, I'm just gonna do almond milk for now, and then I'll top it with soy milk. Like I told you, we do half milk, half water. As you can see now, we're just gonna cook it. With rolled oats, they take a bit longer than instant oats, obviously, because instant oats are instant. So close it to boil for about 5 minutes, and we're gonna come back and top it with our soy milk. I really like soy milk. I just want to say I abhor almond milk, or maybe it's just this brand, I don't know, but it tastes really watered down. And I checked the ingredients, and 2% almonds, 2%. Maybe you don't understand what I'm saying. 98% of the milk is not from the almonds, although they have the audacity to call this almond milk. So I really hate almond milk, I just wanted to say. But soy milk, on the other hand, I love you. Very creamy, and it's a source of vitamin B2, this is not sponsored by Clover Good Hope, just by the way. It's not sponsored by soy milk. I just wanted to reiterate how much I love soy milk. So if you ever want to know which one you should use instead, I would say coconut milk is a good option. Soy milk is definitely a good option, although it does have an acquired taste that maybe you might have to get over a bit. But once you get over that hurdle, it's a breeze. Not this breeze. Definitely not this breeze. It's a breeze. It has low sodium, high in omega-3, source of vitamin B12, and you know we need our B12, source of vitamin B2, and I need to open the lid so it doesn't boil over. Okay. Alrighty, let that do its thing. Let that do its thing, and then just come back and put some chia seeds, a sliced banana, you know, make it more sweeter. I don't know, should I put dates? Dates or no dates? Nah, I think I'm not gonna put dates. Yeah, I think the banana is sweet enough. And also this one is the regular one, it's the sweetened one, so yeah. I think I'm gonna do like the picture, and I'm gonna add some almonds because I have almonds. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add some almonds. Yeah, I'm gonna put some almonds, some chia seeds, sliced banana. It's gonna be wonderful, Okay. And also, I just wanted to ask, does anybody else put salt in their oats? I think it really brings out the flavor of the oats. I don't know. Salt in oats is life-changing. Ever since I started doing that, I haven't stopped. So I just wanted to ask that question. I really suggest that if you haven't started doing this, please start. It's really going to change your life. Honestly, it's going to change your life for real. For real. You just have to ensure that you stir it every... Yeah, see? When it's like that, basically done. But I like my oats a little bit wetter than this. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna add a bit of water. And then my oats is ready. And 5 minutes later, okay, I lied, more like 10 minutes later, the oats is done. Yeah, this is what this is. This, you see this with some, oh, look at it. This was some milk with a banana and some chia seeds. I don't think I'm going to use all of the oats actually. I think it's a bit too much. Let's see. But we shall see. It depends on my hunger level. I think that's enough. Yep. I have enough food, like if I'm not really hungry and I'm just playing with my life, then this should be enough for that. Okay, I'm actually, I think... Okay, here's my lovely bowl of oats. I'm not done. I'm still gonna make it look prettier. I'm gonna add half a banana. Yeah, I'm just gonna add half. A knife. Oh, this is much better. Pick it up like this. Looks much cuter. That's my half banana. And then, remember, this is our inspiration. So I'm just gonna open some almonds. I'm also gonna put in some almonds. Okay, that's the only part that's, oh no. I opened like a stupid. Oh no. And then I'm gonna add some chia seeds too. Just a sprinklish. Look at me, my chef. And then I'm also gonna put a dash of cinnamon, just a and then top that all with some soy milk. That's breakfast. I'm just gonna enjoy this. Bye. So it's snack time now. And I actually got a bunch of these peanuts. I thought they were cooked already, but unfortunately they're not, so I actually have to cook them first. And I really love peanuts. I love nuts in general, but peanuts, they have a special place in my heart. I'm going to be boiling these for as long as it takes to boil peanuts. I think it's about 20 minutes if I'm not mistaken, until they're cooked, and then that's what I'll be having as a snack. Peanuts are a really great way, in fact just nuts in general are a really great snacking food, because They have really good fats in them, so they can keep you satiated for long, especially if it's a long time till you eat later. And also they're good for you. Like I said, they're good fats. Yeah, so I'm just gonna boil them. I have a pot here with some water, and I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more water just to cover the peanuts. Yeah, so that's a floating a little. And then I'm gonna add in some coarse salt. Guys, salt your water. Always salt your water. Whether it's pasta, whether it's mashed potato and you're boiling them, always salt your water. It makes the big difference. And then I'm gonna close, let that cook, and I'll check on them, and then that'll be ready for my snack. And yeah. And there are the peanuts. They're done. I'm just gonna serve some. I'm just gonna use my hand. This is always the water. That's enough. I'm just gonna have that as my snack. These are really good, guys. Like, oh. And they're soft, and the saltiness is perfect. They actually didn't cook for 20 minutes. They actually cooked for about 40 minutes, I would say, to an hour. Now they're done. Look how beautiful they look. I'm so excited. I really like peanuts, so yeah. Bye. This is my snack. Bye. So I'm going to be making some tofu, and how I'm going to make it is very simple. I'm just going to put a ready-made marinade on this, and then just make it in a pan with some liquid, cook it in some broth until the broth evaporates and is reduced, and then my tofu will be ready. So I'm just going to transfer this now. Some sesame oil, but I don't have to because this is a non-stick pan. I just wanted to have that nice flavor. Anyway, and then you want to turn it around to ensure the oil is all over. And now I'm going to be making my sauce to put over. So to make the sauce, I'm going to be using this black bean sauce. It's also used for a marinade. I think that's about 2 teaspoons. Teaspoon of dried herbs. Because I love. Teaspoon of some cumin. Because I love cumin, you know how I do. And some black pepper. Teaspoon of crushed garlic. Veggies do that. I'm gonna move on to the bread. Now I'm just gonna slice up my bread. This is from the bakery at Food Lovers, and I think it's shea butter, although it does taste a bit sour. We're gonna, so I couldn't find the bread knife, that's why I'm using a steak knife, but it's fine. I'm gonna slice this. So we can toast it. And in the toaster it goes. Now our toast is done. This is actually sourdough, it's not shea butter. And now we're done. Now we're just gonna assemble. This is really bothering me. Look that it looks like this. I'm just gonna cut it to make it look prettier. And then, where did that piece go? Guys, we'll never know. Now I'm just gonna make the sauce that I wanna use for my thing. So just need a little bit of tomato sauce, like half a teaspoon. A teaspoon of chutney, half a teaspoon of mayonnaise. And how can I forget my knife? Some habanero paste. This is very, very hot, so I'm not going to be using a lot. I'll use it sparingly, like a quarter of a teaspoon. This is very hot. Nah. Baby spinach, rockets, and watercress. I do not like the order. I need to do it again. Does anybody do this? They disassemble so that it can be the way that they want it to be. It was just me. Help. And then the tomatoes will be on top. I'm just gonna garnish with this. And we're done. And that, my dear friends, the cup of black pepper is breakfast. I'm just gonna give this a bite. I'm just having this pasta. If you don't know how to make the recipe, I posted the recipe on my IGTV. Garlic and herb mushroom tomato pasta. So yeah. I'm just having some fruit, a very, very small mango, and some white grapes as well. Just, to wash down the savouriness of lunch. That was very, very savoury. So yeah.